Alright guys, we're at the grocery store. I'm gonna get all the weird looks, but our first stop is fruit, carbohydrates, pineapple, mango, or watermelon, berry bowl, raspberries, we got our berries, we got our pineapples, our watermelon. Now we need our mangoes, because usually they got cut up mangoes already, but they don't have them here. We have to find our mangoes. They don't have any mangoes. Oh, there's some more. Okay, I need a bag, 4 for $5. Pretty good deal. Get the mangoes going. Four for $5 mangoes. Done. What's next? Protein. Lots and lots of protein. Keep the mic somewhere. Damn, it smells like cookies, bro. It smells like really yummy cookies. Yeah, there we go. Mic's in a better spot now. Oh, it smells like yummy cookies in here. There's second stop. Protein. We're going 2 packs. Chicken. This chicken goes back pretty. 2 packs because the chicken gives me protein for it. So we're gonna have to get something better. I got just the thing in my. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Lean. It's the leanest bison they have. They have really lean beef here. That shit's gross though. We'll get 2 of these, and then 3 of these. So yeah, we got 4 packs of turkey, 3 packs of beef. Should do us good. I said on protein. Let's get some kind of yogurt. What do you guys get when you go grocery shopping? Me personally, I'm on a lean bulk right now. Trying to stay lean and mean, but also put on size, which is not easy. So we just keep the protein high, and yeah, let's go for the 000 protein yogurt. It'll last me about a week. All right, let's see what kind of protein bars we got. Not many. Not many, sir. Not many. We need beverages. Oh, excuse me. Oh, coconut water. We need that. What's the difference? 12 pack, no? Oh, okay. No, Kroger brand. What's the Kroger brand difference? Nothing. So we're gonna get 2 of these. Oh, Gatorades. My favorite. Lemon lime. Best kind there is. Best kind there is, brother. Okay, got our coconut water, we got our Gatorades. What's next? Box of Wheaties? Box of Wheaties, where are you? There you are. I'm thinking about some of these too, some granola. But I'm thinking we can put Wheaties in our yogurt instead. Let's do that. Keep it lean, you know. Stay away from all the fat. So some fat's nice. That's why we got our beef. We got yogurt, we got our Wheaties, we got our protein, we got our carb sources. What other carb sources do we need? What else do we need? Oh, we gotta go back. We're looking at electrolyte powder. A lot of people look at me weird. Apple cider vinegar is probably good. Use apple cider vinegar. I heard that's good for you. So I'm getting some. Or some electrolyte powder, some high quality electrolyte powder. I don't see any here though. I mean, there is some, but not any high quality electrolytes that I'm looking for. We'll get some at Academy Sports. Academy Sports. I'm trying to think what else we need. We don't need any oats. Got Wheaties. Don't need any oats. Don't need snacks. Got the fruit. What else we need? What else we need? What else we need? Protein shakes. And then I think we're almost done. After the protein shakes, probably done at that point. Oh, she's fine. Protein shakes. Oh, God. Protein. Gotta be it right here. Yeah, and they don't have it. They do, but they've got only... Oh, we're taking all the ones you got. They only got 3. Only got 4. We're gonna... 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a lot. A lot of motherfucking groceries. Okay, protein powder. What else we need? What else do we need? We need more seasoning. More seasoning. Oh, protein cookies. Oh, it's not the weekend. We're allowed to splurge right now. It's not the weekend. Some good kickbacks, you know what I mean? Okay, moving on. We're going into... What am I looking for? I just forgot. I got Wheaties, bro. Gotta save money. I got Wheaties, I'm good. Seasoning. Ooh, let me get a sugar-free soda pop. I'm about all the crappy food, so people don't drink it in the house. Orange vanilla seltzer. Looks gross. I'm not trying to change it up crazy. That's exactly what I was looking for.
Damn, I really wanted the cheese one, but...
That's exactly what I was looking for. That's crazy. I put this on everything.
Do you?
Chicken, turkey. It's good.
The spicy better than the original?
I haven't had the spicy. I just put hot sauce. A little hot sauce works out. That stuff's good.
I've not tried it, but I've heard it's good.
Yeah. Stuff lasts me almost a week because I use it on everything.
A week is not long for me.
Not long, I know it. She knows what's up. Okay. God, mac and cheese sounds delicious. Oh, rice. We're gonna get a pack of minute rice for today. Just for today. Because we're balling on a budget. Just for today. Oh, fuck. Let's see here. Some Taco Bell hot sauce, man. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for that Taco Bell hot sauce. Taco Bell hot sauce. It might not be in this aisle. It might be in the taco aisle, which is right here. So maybe one more over. Hopefully, Taco Bell hot sauce. Oh, almond butter, cinnamon. Oh, this is crack, but it's not that time of year, bro. Not yet, at least. Not yet. Oh, Louisville, Kentucky, huh? We'll give you guys a shot. Give you guys a shout. We'll wait until I'm out. Well, I'll probably be out by this week. I'm just running out of money here. Fuck it, right? Oh, excuse me, sorry. I know Taco Bell hot sauce. It's not. Well, guys, I think this is gonna be a wrap on the grocery bar. Got everything I need here. a week's worth of shit. It's a lot of shit too. I'm gonna check the taco out one more time, see if we can spot the gem, spot the rare item. The Taco Bell hot sauce, bro. Taco Bell hot sauce. Well, I don't see any here. We should definitely substitute for something else. Yum yum sauce, sugar-free yum yum. Lots of calories. A lot of calories on that one, buddy. Gotta find something. Japanese barbecue sauce. Let's see what we're looking at. Tapatio. Man, most of this shit is too many calories for me. Arby sauce. Let's just rock with the Arby sauce, huh? What you guys think? Arby sauce? Yeah, fuck it. Or Chick-fil-A sauce. Oh, shit. Polynesian is just, oh god. Yeah, we're on Arby's all the way. All the way. All the way downtown. Oh, that's gonna wrap for today. Oh, there's some more sauce here. Oh, there's some more sauces here. That's like soy sauce. Yeah, that's it for today. We'll probably forget something. But it is what it is. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please, man, comment down below. Tell me what you guys are eating for your diet. Hopefully you guys are on a diet, because I know I sure am. And if I wasn't, I'd be behind, you know? My competition would be considered winning. I'll let you guys go. Gotta check out and go grab some new sneaks. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll give you guys a little clip of what the whole haul consists of. But for now, stay strong. Peace out.